I promise you that as president from this May, I'll bring the entire syndicate and market that has been financing these murders to justice. And it will take 1 month. I'll work with CSOs, the police, the Army, Association of People Living with Albinism, the international community, neighboring countries, and local communities where people with albinism live. My government in waiting is mobilizing special personalized alarms that each person with albinism and the families they live with will be equipped with, they'll be equipped with such devices to alert a rapid response unit of the police when they feel threatened. I will set up a special rapid response unit of the police in every ward specializing in tracking down suspects of this evil. My government will also provide housing for every family in which a member is living with albinism. Houses especially designed with security features to detect intruders. I will also provide each of these families with social welfare payments to improve their living conditions and address their unique vulnerabilities.